My name is Basaraj Madhapapatinchetti, and today I would like to share my journey and express my sincere gratitude to VLSIGuru Training Institute and all my respected trainers. I enrolled in the VLSI Physical Design course at VLSIGuru with clear objective. I wanted to build a strong industry level fundamentals and gain hands-on experience in the VLSI physical design floor. rather than just learning concepts theoretically, I wanted to learn practical knowledge also. The main reason I chose VLSIGuru was because of its strong foundation in practical training and real-time industry approach, and also about the pay structure compared to other institutes is also less, and the guidance was so clear. And I was looking for an institute where I can gain a hands-on experience with the depth aligned with how things actually works in semiconductor companies, and VLSIGuru met those expectations. During the training, the course covered the complete physical design flow, including uh, including floor planning, power planning, placement, clock tree synthesis, routing, timing analysis, and sign-up concepts, along with the basic concepts like digital electronics, Linux architecture, and CMOS technology and TCL scripting also. And one of the biggest advantage of this course was learning how to handle real-time challenges such as setup and hold violations, congestion issues, CTS impact, and crosstalk issues or antenna violations. Because of the structured training, continuous mentoring, and consistent practice, I was able to perform well in interviews, and I am very happy to share that I have been selected at Exiger Technologies, and this achievement is strongly connected to the foundation I gained during my training at VLSIGuru. I would I would like to sincerely thank all the trainers for their patience, motivation, and continuous support. Your guidance helped me stay focused and confident throughout the learning process. To students who are planning to enter the VLSI domain, especially in physical design, my recommendation is this: choose a place where you get a strong fundamentals, practical exposure, and proper mentorship. VLSIGuru is an excellent platform if you are willing to stay consistent, practice regularly, and make the best use of the guidance provided. Once again, thank you to the entire VLSIGuru team for shaping my skills and helping me move forward in my career. I will always be grateful for this journey. Thank you.